A very big question in the heart of man that man should be able to think of every time is, why is he on earth? A very big question that man should be able to answer is, what is my purpose of living? The moment a man grows to a certain level of maturity, a question that is necessary for you to answer, that will be a propeller and a guidance for you on this earth, is, why are you here? And there are 5 questions a man must be able to answer. There are 5 questions a man living on this earth must be able to answer. These are the questions of who am I? That is in terms of identity. Knowing whom you are in terms of identity. Where am I from? In terms of source. Why am I here? In terms of purpose. What can I do? In terms of potential. Where am I going? In terms of destiny. Show me a man that cannot answer these 5 questions. Show me a man that can't answer, that can't give answer to these 5 questions. Then I will show you a walking dead. I will show you a man that is dead while living. There is a purpose why God created everything. There is a purpose why He created the land. There is a purpose why He created the sea. There is a purpose why He created the trees. There is a purpose why He created every living creature on it. And there is a purpose why God created man to dominate on the face of the earth. And the more reason why a lot of people are living their life just the way they feel like is just because of the question of purpose that they are yet to answer. Understanding purpose for your life. Remember, death never threatens a human who has fulfilled purpose. Every man being created on this earth are created for a purpose. And the moment you live a life of purpose, then you are living a life with direction. Living a life of purpose is when you live a life being guided by a compass, which will show you direction to where you are going. And you shouldn't be going to where you are going, not until there is a purpose for you going here. Every human wants to be successful. Success is predictable. Failure is also predictable. Life designed for you to succeed. God is committed to your success. Your failure doesn't interest God. Your success interests Him a lot. Your success is good for your Creator. man desires success. Even a madman walking on the street, if you ask a madman walking on the street, he will tell you he desires success. Nobody wants to be associated with a failure. Everyone to be associated with a success. And being successful, it's very easy thing, only if we are committed to why we are here on earth. When you live a life of purpose, then you are living a life of direction. And for you to fulfill purpose on earth, the first thing you need to do is being disciplined. Failure and indiscipline are best of friends. Success and discipline are best of friends. Don't wait for tomorrow before you do it. Do it now. At every interval of time, we should be able to think that, am I walking in the direction of my purpose? God has created you as a finished product. It is just for you to come to the earth to fulfill that purpose. Meaning, nobody is created by God to be a failure. But the moment you fail to identify why you are here on earth, then you are walking toward failure. In this series, we will be looking at understanding the purpose for your life. And just for today, as a preview, I will leave you with this question, which is a must. You should be able to answer before we go along in this teaching. Not until you are able to answer this first question of purpose, then you are living a purposeless life. The questions, who are you? That's identity. Identify who you are. If I should ask you now who you are, I believe the first thing you're going to tell me is your name is this, your name is that. Identity. You must be able to identify who you are. When you identify whom you are, we are not talking about your name now. A lion is a lion, and he acts like a lion, not because of his name. A lion is a devourer of anything. That is his purpose. Where am I from? I'm not talking about your nationality, your locality, your source. Where are you from? You should be able to identify where you are from. That is the second question, and very, very paramount. And the third one is, why am I here? You are on this earth now. Why are you on this earth? That's the purpose. That is where we strike the deal. Why are you here? Why are you on this earth? Why are you created? What is the reason why God created you into this life? Why are you created? And the next question you should be able to answer, what can I do? That is potential. And remember, for everything God created, God deposited a potential in them. And take notes. It is now your own effort, it is now your own work to activate your potential and change it into kinetic. If it remains a potential till you die, then you are failed. to put it in motion, to activate it. That is, you put your potential, you put your God-given talents, the purpose why you are here on earth, you activate it, kinetic, moving. That means you are working in purpose. When you are working in purpose, it is no longer a potential. It is a potential in motion. That is kinetic. Then what can I do? That is the purpose. That is the potential. Where am I going? On a final note, where are you going? That is the destiny. The destination. The destiny you are created for. Where are you going? You can't just be walking around without having a destination of this is where you are going. Now, the moment you now identify where you are going, then you can now critically analyze the days, the time, the year is going to take you to get to your final destination. Then the moment you are able to identify these 5 things, the moment you are able to answer these 5 questions of life, then your chances of making it is now high, irrespective of wherever you are. We are created to dominate the environment. We are created to control our environment. Our environment has no or little power on our destiny. Whom you will be is in you. You are a carrier of success. You are a carrier of what you want to be. When you have a purpose and you are working towards it, the moment you are able to identify these 5 questions of life, then you are closer to your success. The moment you are able to answer these 5 questions, then congratulations, my brother. Congratulations, my sister. Welcome to your fulfilling purpose. Welcome to your land of glory. Welcome to the land of success. These 5 questions of life are very, very necessary. Because every man desires to be successful. Nobody desires to be a failure. If you desire to be successful, then these 5 questions of life, you must be able to answer it. You must be able to answer all these 5 questions of life if you truly desire to be successful in life. The secret to success is law. And the moment you fail to live by the law, then you are living by the law of failure. In life, we live by law. It's either you live by law of success or you are living by law of failure. We'll continue this. Follow me as we continue in the next episode. Thank you.